Hi friends. This is Caesar from PS Tuteler. We will apply soft blue colors grading on image. Color grading can be used to make both technical and creative changes. Colorists use color grading for artistic purposes to ensure that the image is carefully curated. Color palette conveys specific atmosphere, style, or emotion. Let's get started without delay. Press Ctrl+J to make duplicate layer of image. Create a solid color layer. Fill it with cyan color. Cyan is a bright, lively greenish blue. Its hex code is 00FFFF. Then press OK. Reduce fill to 25% and opacity to 50%. Change blend mode from normal to vivid light. Zoom in image, make sure layer mask thumbnail is selected. Pick brush tool. Brush size is 25 pixels or according to your image. Hardness is 0%. Opacity is 100%, flow is 100% and smoothing is 0%. Make sure foreground color is set to black. Start painting on lips to reveal original color. Press Ctrl+0 to fit in screen. Press Ctrl+J to make duplicate layer. Change blend mode to exclusion. Exclusion is very similar to difference. Blending with white inverts the base color values, while blending with black produces no change. However, blending with 50% gray produces 50% gray. Increase opacity to 100% for this layer. Create levels adjustment layer. Press Alt and click on Auto. A window for auto color correction options will pop up. There are 4 types of algorithms. Check find dark and light colors. Check snap neutral midtones. Change color for shadows to black. Change color for highlights to white. Change clip value for shadows to 0.5%. Then click OK. It will ask to save new target colors as defaults. Simply press No. Here is image before and after. There is soft blue color grading on image. Image colors will also be bright. Again, take a look for before and after. I hope you like this technique. For soft blue colors grading, Hit like and subscribe if you like video. Thanks for watching.